Good morning, all of you. How are you all? Last class we are completing that హల్లులతో గుర్తులు హల్లులు పరిచయం. We are learning that lesson. Now we start that main lesson. Here see nakka draksha. You know this nakka? Nakka means fox and draksha. See this picture. Nakka draksha. How that try to take that grapes, catch the grapes. This lesson is this nakka draksha. Here nakka means what? Fox. Here we are learning that kavattu. Today we learning ka symbol. So this is the grapes. See the main lesson. నక్క ఒకటి తోటలోని ద్రాక్ష పండ్లు చూసింది, పండ్లు నందుకోవాలని పలుమరులు ఎగిరింది. ఎంత ఎగిరినా చిక్కలేదు, బిక్కముఖం వేసింది. అందనట్టి ద్రాక్ష పులుపు అంటూ నక్క వెళ్ళింది. హ్యావ్ యు అండర్స్టాండ్ దిస్? ఓకే. నక్క ఒకటి మీన్స్ వన్. नक्का एक फॉक्स तोटलोना ग्रेप्स के गार्डन में गया था. तोटलोनी द्राक्षा पंडू चूसिंदी. वहाँ पर गार्डन में जाने के बाद ग्रेप्स देखे थे. पंडू नंदुकोवालनी वो ग्रेप्स लेने के लिए, कैच करने के लिए जंप करने लगा. पलुमरुलु एगिरिंदी मीन्स जंप करने लगा. एंत एगिरिना कितना भी जंप करने दो, चिक्कलेदू कैच नहीं कर सका. बिक्का मोहम मीन सैड फेस रख के वापस चला गया. अंदनट्टी द्राक्षा जो ग्रेप्स नहीं मिला वो क्या समझ गया? वो खट्टा होगा, सोर होगा बोल के वापस चल अंटू नक्क వెళ్ళింది, वापस चला गया. నక్క ఒకటి తోటలోని ద్రాక్ష పండ్లు చూసింది, పండ్లు నందుకోవాలని मीन्स एक फॉक्स ग्रेप्स के गार्डन में जाकर ग्रेप्स खाने के लिए देखने लगा. पंड्लु नंदुकोवालनी वो ग्रेप्स पकड़ने के लिए, पलुमरुलु मीन्स अगेन ट्राई करने लगा. एगिरिंदी मीन्स जंप करने लगा. एंत एगिरिना चिक्कलेदू कितना भी जंप करने तो उसे एक भी ग्रेप्स नहीं मिला. बिक्का मुखम वो पूरा सैड फेस रख के वापस जाने के लिए तैयार हो गया. अंदनट्टी द्राक्षा फिर क्या सोचने लगा? जाने दो, खट्टा होगा इसलिए मुझे नहीं मिला. द्राक्षा पंडु पुलुपु अंटू नक्क వెళ్ళింది. Now you understand this? Yes. Now we write that mind mapping. We are also understand if you are not getting anything, so that is the bad. That's why we are not getting. You thinking that also in fox also same he is thinking. So that is that bad. That is sore. That's why I am not taking that. Other thinking that. Mind mapping. What is the lesson name? Nakka draksha. What is the meaning of draksha? Grapes. First we take that tota. What is the meaning of tota? Tota means garden. Next pandu means you know fruits. Chusindi. What is the meaning of chusindi? Dekhna. Chusindi seen. Palumarulu means again and again. Egirindi. What is the meaning of egirindi? Jump. Chikkaledu not getting. Is trying but not getting any fruit. Bikkamoham Bikkamukam means sad face. Pulupu. What is thinking that? That is sore. Pulupu means sore. After went. Veldindi means went. Understand this? Now we write that meanings. What is the meaning of nakka? Yes, nakka means fox. What is the meaning of draksha? Draksha means grapes. Next, tota. What is the meaning of tota? Garden. Next, Chusindi. Chusindi means seen. Palumaru. Palumaru means again and again. Egirindi. What is the meaning of egirindi? Jump. Chikkaledu. What is the meaning of chikkaledu? Not getting. Bikkamukham. See this, here chikka, here bikka. You are writing that same, you are confused. This is the cha, this is the ba. You are confused when is the cha come. Here see, this ba, this cha. Here is a straight line we are writing, here curve writing. So don't confuse. Here cha and ba. Here you understand this. Here chikka, here bikka. Bikka moham. Moham means face. Sad face. Bikka means sad. Moham means face. Next, pulupu. What is the meaning of pulupu? Sore. Veldindi. After Veldindi, went. Have you understand this lesson? See this picture. Nakka draksha. That fox want to take that grapes. Jump. That fox jump, but it not getting that fruits. This is the main lesson. Have you understand this? One time this read. This is the grapes. नक्का ఒకటి తోటలోని నక్కా ఫాక్స్ తోట में जाके गार्डन में जाके ద్రాక్ష పండు చూసింది ద్రాక్ష देखा था పండ్లు నందుకోవాలని పరుమరులు ఎగిరింది वो फ्रूट्स लेने के लिए जंप करने लगा ఎంత ఎగిరినా చిక్కలేదు బిక్క ముఖం వేసింది कितना भी जंप करने के बाद एक भी फ्रूट नहीं मिला అందనట్టి ద్రాక్ష పులుపు అంటూ నక్క వెళ్ళింది why I am writing here writing with pink color this is the kavattu today we learning that kavattu so I am writing here ka symbols we are writing I am writing here with pink another color different color I am writing here next mind mapping what is that nakka draksha main lesson here tota seen palumarulu means again and again ఎగిరింది jump. చిక్కలేదు means not getting. బిక్క మొహం sad face. పులుపు means so. వెళ్ళింది again he went that garden. I hope you are understand the lesson. You learn this poem and meanings, mind mapping. You copy in the classwork also. Yes, this also one time read this. Nakka means fox. This draksha grapes. Tota garden. Chusindi scene. Palumaru again again. Egirindi jump. Chikkaledu not getting. చిక్కలేదు not getting. this పులుపు sour. వెళ్ళింది went. see this sour means పులుపు. I hope you understand this lesson. Copy in the classwork and learn the poem meanings. This mind mapping also. Have a good day.